Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create another program that is swap two numbers with another parameter. So we are going to use three parameters here. So let's add a comment first. So this is like our program swapping two numbers with using another parameter. Okay, so let's begin. So we'll add first our class and the class name. So our class name will be swapping, then public static void main string args or comment. Then we are going to declare integer a comma b comma c, and will initialize our variable a in 10, b equal to 20. Okay, let's discuss first about swapping. So we'll change variable value a into b and b into a. So for example, here a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So at the end b will be 10 and a will be 20. So this is our swapping. So generally we swap or interchange the value. So the formula is c equal to a and a equal to b and b equal to c. So let's just print the value before swapping. So we'll use system.out.println and we'll add a message before swap. So let's just print value of a and b. System.out.println a equal to, and then plus will use for concatenation a plus in double quotation we are going to add b equal to and then b. So plus we use for concatenation. So let's add a comment again after swap, system.out.println and after swap. Okay, so we'll print here again a and b. So this will demonstrate the value of a and b after the swapping. Okay, our program is ready. Let's just save it with the same class name. So we'll save with the class name .java. So the file is saved, and now we are going to compile our program. So we'll use javac for compilation and java to run our program. So initially first move to the same directory where you saved your program. Now use javac and the file name .java, and yeah, it compiled. We'll use java and the file name. So see, before swap we have a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and after swapping operation it's a equal to 20 and b equal to 10. So our value changed from a to b and b to a.